Good evening, dear colleagues. I've decided to try to present our project in English. Let's see what we can get. My name is Ivan Aziran. I am representing the team number 12 of course GoJava Online. Our team has a proud name, Fantastic Java 7. For your attention is our joint development and numbers converter from binary to decimal and vice versa. At first, let's quick take a look at my team's members. That are a wonderful people: Galina Bakovaya, Denis Harchenko, Alexey Petruk, Ruslan Samoylov, Alexander Stefanovsky, me and our mentor, Denis Voskoboynik. Before we consider our program's functioning, let's get acquainted with some theory. At first, the binary numerical system has two possible values, often represented as 0 or 1 for each place value. In its turn, the decimal numeral system has 10 possible values for each place value: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. For converting the decimal number to binary, you should write it out. For example, on the paper sheet, draw the line under the number and write down the result of the halving. After each division, you should write the remainder, 0 or 1, to the right of the dividend. Continue to divide until you reach 0. After that, start the writing a new binary number with the bottom remainder and stop when you will reach the top. Now you have a binary number. For the converting the binary number to decimal, write down the binary number and list the powers of 2 from right to left. Start at 2 in the power 0, evaluating it as 1. Stop when the amount of elements in this list is equal to the amount of digits in the binary number. Then start multiplying the digits values by their corresponding powers of 2 and summarize obtained results. Now you have the decimal number. Our program's implementation is based on this algorithm. Here you see the algorithm of our converters working. We had considered various variations when an input value equals 0, positive value, and even a converting negative integer. In this case, we used 2's complement methods for the representation of negative integer decimal numbers in binary. And here we have a little algorithm of converting binary to decimal. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at our program's working. After program's launch, it welcomes us and offers to make a choice. Let's start our program. 1 second, please. Here we have our program's welcome. Let's start with the most interesting one. Perhaps our program has made you feel dislike feelings and you want to leave the program at once. In this case, you can enter just 3 and the program will be closed at once. However, if you nevertheless need to convert the numbers, you can try to enter 1 or 2. Enter decimal or binary number and get a result. Let's see how it works. For example, let's convert decimal to binary. Okay, enter 1, input the number and any number. Now we have a result. The same way we are able to convert binary to decimal. By the way, as you can see, after each done operation, our program asks us if we want to continue the work with program. Okay, let's enter 1 to start our program again. 2, enter any binary number, and again we have a result. Everything is simple and understandable for any user. In addition, the most important, we get correctly results. Our developers team had provided wrong input data made by users. If you enter, for example, let's start again our program. If you enter, for example, letters, or you make a space between numbers, enter nothing, or any other inadmissible input data, in all these cases our program will be able to react and handle such exceptions and of course prompt the user what we should do in this situation. Of course, we also have tests which show that our program works correctly. We compare the results of working our methods with the results of the working standard appropriate Java's methods. We get correct results with any compare values. Let's see how it works. Okay, we can change any other values, correct values. Let's start it again. We see that our program works correctly. Here is our program. It was a little presentation of it. At last you can see the list of used literature. I think that's all. I hope that you've understood all I wanted to say. Thank you for attention. Goodbye. Thank you.